Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to create a waterfall chart in Excel to visualize your cash flow statements. A waterfall chart shows how an initial value increases or decreases through a series of positive and negative changes, which is perfect for tracking revenue, expenses, and net cash flow. First, organize your data table with your starting cash balance, your individual inflows and outflows as sequential rows, and your final cash balance at the very bottom. Ensure that all inflows are typed as positive numbers, and all outflows or expenses are typed as negative numbers. Select your entire data table, including the text headers and the numeric values. Go up to the top menu ribbon and click on the Insert tab. Look for the Charts group. Click the icon for Insert Waterfall, Funnel, Stock, Surface, or Radar Chart, and select Waterfall. The chart will instantly appear on your spreadsheet, but by default, Excel treats the final total as a floating change rather than a landing point. Click once on the chart to select it, then double-click only the very last data bar on the right, which represents your final cash balance. Right-click that single bar and select Set as Total. You must also repeat this exact step for your starting cash balance bar if it is floating. Right-click it and choose Set as Total. Excel will automatically change the color of these totals to anchor them to the baseline, while your positive gains and negative losses float in midair between them. And that's it. Your cash flow analysis is now perfectly visualized. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.